Good morning. I am Sandhani Selvi, belongs to Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Indira Ganeshan College of Engineering. Now we are going to design combinational circuit. What is combinational circuit? Combinational circuit is a digital circuit, that is zeros and ones input. Digital circuit produces output that depends only the present input. For example, we give number of n inputs to combinational circuits, it produces output. That output depends only the present input. The combinational circuit consists of logic gates. Okay. The design procedure is, first according to our specification, we determine the input and output variables. According to our specification or requirement, we determine the number of inputs and outputs. How many we require inputs and outputs. And then second one, the relationship between the input. Okay, we derive the truth table. Derive truth table. And then in order to minimize the number of gates and increase the speed and delay time, we use Karnaugh map. By Karnaugh map simplification and then draw the logic diagram. Okay, the design procedure is, according to our requirement, first we determine the inputs and outputs and then derive the truth table according to a relation between the input and output, and then draw the Karnaugh map and simplify the Boolean expression. Final one is draw the logic diagram. For example, the given problem is design a combinational circuit with 3 inputs. 3 inputs that input produce logical high. Logical high means 1 output. Logical high output when more than one input variables or logic low. More than one input variables or logic low means it produce the output 1. Produce the output 1. Okay. This is the output. So we have 3 inputs. 3 inputs give the input variables A, B, C. 3 inputs. We name the input variables A, B, C, and then 3 inputs give the possible combination is 2 power n combinations. 2 power n is nothing but n inputs, that is equal to 3. 2 power 3 gives 8. Okay, 8 possible combinations, that is possible combinations are 0 0 0 and then 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Okay, so our condition is, given condition is more than one input variables are logical low. That is low means 0 means more than one input is 0 means the output is 1. Okay. For first combination we have 3 zeros. So the output is 1. For second combination we have 2 zeros, more than 1 0. Okay. So we get output 1. And then third one is 0, 1, 0. It also a output 1. The fourth one is we get only 1, 0. But the condition is more than one input variables are logic low. Okay, here two input variables logic high, but only one input is logic low. So the output is 0. Okay, the fourth one is also logic 1, and then remaining is the condition is not satisfied, so the output is 0. Okay, derive the truth table. Second condition is completed. The third one is K-map. K-map is used to minimize the logic gates, okay, and then increase the speed and minimize the delay. Okay, so the K-map is, this is the K-map. A means 1, A bar means 0. That is also B bar C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so first one is A bar, B bar, C is nothing but 0, 0, 0. Okay, the output is placed inside the box. Okay, so the output is 1. Okay, second one 0, 0, 1. A bar, B bar, C. Output is 1. Third one is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. The output is 1. Fourth one 0, 1, 1. The output becomes 0. Okay, and then 1, 0, 0, 1, A. Okay, 1, 0, 0. B bar, C bar. Is output is 1, and then remaining value becomes 0. Okay, we grouping the logical outputs. Okay, we use pair or quad. Quad is nothing but we group 4 ones or 2 ones or 8 ones. Here available is only 2 ones. The first group is 1, 1. First group. The corresponding one is we take there is no simplification, take A bar, and then row wise take A bar, column wise we see B bar is common to both, and then C bar, C get cancelled. So the answer is A bar, B. The common factor is available in only in B bar is common factor, and then C bar get cancelled. Okay, complement irundadana cancel aidum. Okay va, A bar, B bar, and then second pair is like this. We must grouping ones. Okay, don't miss the one. Okay, here A bar get cancelled. We take only B bar, C bar. So A bar, B bar plus B bar, C bar. And then third one is we folding the map, the both ones are touched to each other, so we can group it. Okay, so the corresponding value is plus A bar, there is no A. Okay, so take A bar only, and then B bar, B is complement to each other, so get cancelled. C bar is common to both variables, so take C bar. So in the simplified expression y equal to A bar B bar plus B bar C bar plus A bar C bar. This is the simplified expression for produce the given condition output. Okay, so we next step is draw the logical diagram. So we take here all are complement factors, A bar, B bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, C bar. So the input variables are A, and then complement is, this is the NOT gate. NOT gate produce the complement output A bar. This gate is called as NOT gate. And then another input is B. The complement output is B bar. And then another input is C. Complement output is C bar. The first expression is A bar, B bar. Okay, we take connection from this point A bar and then B bar. This is the multiplication A bar, B bar. The multiplication is done by the AND gate. AND gate symbol is like this. This is the two input AND gate. A bar is one input, another input is B bar. The output is A bar, B bar. Okay. The next one is B bar, C bar. B bar, C bar. B bar is here and then C bar. This is also a multiplication operation. B bar, C bar. The third variable is A bar, C bar. So, A bar, we represent a dot here. Okay. C bar. This is also a multiplication. So, A bar, C bar. The total, the three variables are get added by the use of OR gate. OR gate is used to add the Boolean expression. Three input OR gate. So, OR gate symbol is like this. Output y, the output is y equal to A bar, B bar plus B bar, C bar plus A bar, C bar. Okay. This is the finalized output logical diagram. Suppose in practical we use the inputs A, B, C, it may be from a digital computer, the output control the some instrument, some devices. Okay. Digital input is given by given along the computer system, it controls the some machines by the use of expression. This is the combinational circuit design. By the given specification we can derive many combinational circuits. This is the one of the example. Thank you students. Thank you.